Now let us see how we can download and install the VS Code on Windows 11. So here in the browser, I will enter the website address as code.visualstudio.com and then I will open up the website. Here we can straight away see the option to download for Windows. We will click on this. It will start the download process automatically. Once the download is complete, we will click on this open file option. It will launch the VS Code installer. Here we will accept the license agreement, click on next and then click on next and then click on next. And here we will choose the options that we need. For example, if you want to have a desktop icon, then you can check this option. And along with that, if you want, you can have the option of opening up the files and folders using the VS Code by having the file and directory context menu. And after that, click on next and then click on install. Now it will install the VS Code on your computer. Now, once the installation is complete, we will check this option which says launch Visual Studio Code and then we will click on finish and it will open up the VS Code. And with this, we have installed VS Code in our computer.